Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain what makes a meme song truly great. We'll dive into the key elements that propel a song from obscurity to internet stardom. Understanding these factors is crucial for anyone looking to identify or even create the next big viral hit. We'll explore how catchiness, cultural relevance, and adaptability play pivotal roles in a song's journey to becoming a beloved meme. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind internet's most iconic tunes. What truly sets a meme song apart? It often boils down to a few core characteristics. First, an incredibly catchy melody or a repetitive hook that sticks in your head for days. Think about those tunes you can't stop humming. Second, a simple, memorable lyric or a unique soundbite that's easy to quote and share. And finally, the best meme songs are incredibly versatile, fitting into a wide array of humorous and relatable internet scenarios. These elements combine to create an unforgettable viral sensation. So, how do these songs actually become memes? It's largely thanks to the incredible power of social media. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube act as launchpads where a song can quickly gain traction. When users start creating their own content, think dances, funny skits, or creative challenges, the song's reach explodes. Often, a song's cultural relevance and perfect timing with current trends can also give it that extra push, making it resonate deeply with millions of people online. It's a fascinating journey to internet fame. Ultimately, defining the best meme song is a bit subjective, as it often comes down to individual humor and what's currently trending across the internet. However, we can look for certain indicators. A truly great meme song demonstrates longevity, remaining relevant and adaptable across many different meme formats over time. It also fosters a sense of shared cultural understanding and community among internet users. It's not just about a catchy tune, it's about its lasting impact on online culture. What's your favorite?
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.